everyone. In this tutorial we talking about the drawing next part. So go to the file. In previous tutorial we see this menu. So going to the drawing and okay. So with this we use here it2. Okay. So something better large. This will be a large page will coming in front of you. So going to the this front view. So minimize this and we're taking this is front view. So hold the green bracket and move to this, and let's zoom out and this hold it, and this is the front view of this object. So let's select the second command, which is let's click side to the box, and this is the front view. So going to the projection views, this one, and we here the left hand, right hand side view, and we also the going to the top view, and this is isometric view is there. We take an isometric view. It's here we activate this isometric view, and this is isometric view. So select this axis and waiting this isometric view. So let's and hold the green square and place here. So click outside box, and this is the drawing of your assembly. So we also going to the sectional view here. So we going to the offset sectional view. This is the activate command. So this is the one here, activated symbol is there, this blue lines. This is front view is activated. So any operation on the front view is concerned. So let see the left view. So right click on them and activate view. So the side view is activated. So we this kind of the view is activated and disactivated. So let's activate the front view, and the front view axis is coming, the activation axis. So going to the offset means cutting this command, offset sectional view. So we select this offset sectional view and going to the front view and see the draw the cutting edge, and we place here the here the sectional view is coming. So this is the cutting edge of this, and this direction we this direction A direction, this A direction we cutting this object, and A direction side view is there will be present this material, and this material will be other kind of the material, so not similar one, so different hatching line will be come. So there is the very interesting thing is in CATIA. So go to the detail view. This is very interesting. So going to this, and this is very simple drawing. So when you draw the complicated drawing, so this command is very useful for you. So we have to know the small part is there, here is nothing, but we have to notice this to the other purpose, to the other manufacturing purpose. We notice this part, so circle there, and here we draw this. So this part and this edge will be the detailed view is there, will be present. We see here also, so make it circle here, and this is extra large, so the circle is there, so not selecting here, so this is here also, so not selected, so sorry, this is not activated views. So going to the deactivate the command, and going to the isometric view, top view, and sectional view. This is highlighted, see here the highlighted view, and going and activate this, and this axis will become in this position. So going to the detailed view and making circle there, and plus here, so this is the detailed view of their inside of the circle, so there is the detailed view. Also we scale the object, the front view, let's detailed view of this object, left hand side view. So going to the left hand side view, and going to the activate this view, and going to the properties of this view. So going to the 1:1, here 1:1 is scale. We also going to the 1:2 also, and 2:1 also. So half the scale, 1:2. So apply this, and see there is the half the dimension of all the body. See here, half the dimension. So this scaling is much important. Here we close this, and as we regain this shape, so going to the properties, right click on them, and going to the properties, and here we nothing is there. So going to the left hand side view, going to the properties, and we view and scale this 1:1:1. So apply this, and we regain the our original shape. So I think this video is useful for you. Thank you. There is a very various tools for this circle also. So going to the right click on the circle, and go to the properties of this detailed view circle. Here we change the font, text, graphic, and color also. So there is very informative and there is very detailed information or editing features are there, will be present. If you build your creativity and use them in your drawing. Thank you for watching this video till the end. This video is useful for you, I think. Thank you.